Hi, I'm Paige.
I'm Sienna.
And I'm Maddie.
Welcome to Fox Chapel Area High School.
We're so excited to show you around.
Let's get going.
Hey incoming freshmen, it's Maddie, and I'm here to tell you about our school's main office. The office is located on the second story of our floor's building. Here's how to get to the office from the main common area. You walk up the common staircase and take a right. You walk down the hallway and there's the office. There are 3 hallways that lead to the office. There's 2 classroom hallways, and then there's the main hallway. In the office, there are iPad stands that you can use to sign in and out if you have an early dismissal or you're coming in late to school.